All right, so this is a special thing for kitty cats. It's a giant kitty cat litter thing. Just turn it around so you guys can read it. These are the safety tips. We recommend using clumping litter. Please place the product in an area with strong Wi-Fi. Scan for tutorial. So it's got a lot of stuff on there. It's important to read right there, so check it out.
I have to,
Screenshots. Yeah, that's what you need to.
I gotta get the, oh, it has a code, QR code.
Yeah, it's got everything.
I need to get the litter really quickly.
Look at this.
From the
That comes with it.
thing. Where the hell is it?
And this is the legs, support legs for the aromatic cat litter box. Right here. Oh, this looks like it's gonna be, this looks more like a project. All right, so those are the legs. Here's your instructions. This, I do believe, is your adapter, your power cable. This is your poop. You put your poop in there when you're done. So you get 2 of those big giant poop things. We'll set this over here. All right, let's pull this out and let's take a look at it. Woo, there it is. Crazy, huh? Take a gander. There she be. All right. Pull her out. It's heavy. This thing's heavy. Looks pretty cool though, doesn't it? This is the automatic cat litter machine.
I gotta go grab the litter really quickly from, what's it called?
I think it's got like little wheels or something on it too. Maybe not.
I gotta go grab the litter really quickly, so.
All right, that's that. All right, let's take a look at this. It looks like the thing that little baby Yoda was traveling in the Mandalorian.
I know.
I'm not quite sure how it works though. We might have to read up on it before we even try it. So it does have like, it's definitely, you know, you got a bunch of buttons down here. You see them? The name of it is Neakasa. And you got a power button, you got a cleaning button, you got all kinds of stuff on here. Now we've got to plug it in somehow. So let's see if we can find the plug-in part. It's got to be somewhere around here. Oh look, they even show us, it's right there. Okay, so that's that. So where do you want to put this thingamabob?
Where the other one is, but give me a second, because I need to go grab the litter from Walgreens super fast.
Oh, take your time. But anyway, so we got to put it all together. I think this is the mat you set it on. And the instructions are here, the charger. It's got extra, you know, we got to put these on. I guess we could do that right now. We just got to see how we open this. These, I think they're pretty easy to put on. Oh yeah, there they are. So you get 4 of these. These are the legs, right? Let's go ahead and pull them out. One more. All right, let's set that over there. So these are the legs. Now we got to look and see how they, in the picture here, they're like leaning out. So I would imagine they're going to go in like this. You follow me? We might want to just flip it right over and then we can put them all in.
It's called the Neakasa, and it is the highest rated, all around loved, overall pick from any website for cat litter, dealing with self-cleaning and odor, and easy to clean on your own, as well as liked by the cats. So it's open.
So it's #1 with cats, and it's #1 with cat owners.
Yes.
That's what you're trying to tell me.
Yes.
All right, let's put the legs on it then. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flip it over like this, and just like that, and then I'm just going to get the legs in there. And I think if you look at it, you can see how they go in. You follow me? So there's little latches right there, and then this kind of catches, right? Yeah, see that? So to see the little things, there's one here and here. So you got to kind of get them in like that. Okay, so we'll go with this one first. Slip it in there. That's it. Bam, done. Back up a little bit so you get a better bird's eye view. And in. And then the ones on the bottom, same way. And last but not least, bam, done. Now we're in. So now we got our feet on there, and now we're ready just to get some cat litter and put it wherever it's supposed to go. I'm not sure.
I'm gonna grab it right now.
This is all like rubber inside here, and I think it kind of like shakes down in there. And then I think that when you pull it out, there's like a tray here that pulls out, right? I think. Yeah. I think that's how it works. But yeah, we just got to go get the cat litter now and put it in there. And that's it. Yeah.